Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, we can tap on the devices icon right here. Now, select the Huawei Watch GT Runner from the list of devices. On this page, tap on this icon right here in the top right corner to open the menu, and then tap on Unpair device. Now tap on Unpair, and as you can see, the device disappeared from the list of devices. We can close the app and open the Bluetooth settings on our phone. And in Bluetooth settings, check if the watch is on the list right here. If it is, you can tap on the settings icon next to it. I don't have it, but for example, I'm gonna tap on this settings icon next to the storm box. Then you can tap on Forget and confirm by tapping on Forget device to remove it from the list of devices. And once it's gone from the list, your watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.